Ms. Dias Asli gets in French. AP Ms. Suhani Kekar gets in Hindi and Anulyekar Samya Ramlal gets in Marathi. Teachers who have put forth faith, hope and love together and have raised a positive person in society.